say I live in different hotels.
You live in different hotels.
Yeah.
Alright.
Where are those animals? They went on leave, oh man. Where are those animals?
Those animals are hiding. And they must be looking for food, honestly. You see how grass looks like?
Okay, it's a lunchtime for them?
Probability is high.
Oh.
That place is so dry, so they need to look for something to eat as well.
So here you keep only giraffe and zebra, no cheetah and...
No, they don't come on. They don't come out on this side.
Where they stay?
Huh?
Which part of the world they stay? So the lion may be having a lunch and zebra has become the lunch.
Lion, they're in the zoos. Lions are in the park.
Oh.
Yeah, but they have specific areas where they do stay. Although they roam around the park.
They roam around the park.
They are looking for food as well.
Okay.
And they only eat meat.
Yeah, what a life they have. Nothing to do in life.
Yeah. The thing that they eat meat, but the animals that eat grass are more fat than those who eat meat.
Yeah. Because the animal who eat grass, they don't have to chase. Standing, they would be eating. And the hunter has to run and chase.
Yeah. We have two ways for your information. We have this wave and we have that one.
Okay.
Yeah, that one do pays. This one is free.
Okay.
Yes. So, would you like to experience that one or you want to experience this one?
I'm fine with this. So that is built by the Chinese?
Yeah.
It's looking like Chinese.
It is.
It looks like Chinese. They have made
It's
it.
look brown like them, huh?
Yeah.
With small eyes.
Yeah, small eyes. So when Chinese sit with you, do they talk to you?
Chinese?
Yeah.
No, really. Whenever you just cross them, they don't talk to you
They don't talk.
unless you do work with them.
Okay.
Other time they talk to you. You don't even say hi unless you do interact with them. Other time.
And how about Indians? Indians talk?
Indians are our brothers, my friend.
Oh, they're brothers.
Yes. In our constitution, they are the 43rd people in tribe in Kenya.
Oh.
So Indians, whenever if you are an Indian, you're in Kenya.
Oh.
In Kenya, you're at home actually.
Yeah, I the person who I have a guy who's working on my visa and all those things. He's going to India to run, long run.
To learn the language.
No, he's going to India for a sports competition.
That's cool.
But I have somehow I love Nairobi, you know.
Nairobi is a place to be.
Yeah, it's a nice city.
Nairobi is a place to be.
Last time I stayed near to the Hilton.
Last time you stayed here for?
I stayed at Hilton.
You stayed in Hilton, the city center hotel.
Yeah, but it was very old. Hilton is very old. This time
it's old and noisy. The place is noisy.
Noisy.
If you want rest and anything, even to walk around, it's not so easy for you.
Yeah, walking around is also not very pleasant. Parkland is a good area, right?
Yeah, Concord is fine.
Concord is fine.
Yeah.
Food is also good?
What?
Food is good?
Yeah, they have Indian food.
They have Indian food.
And I am very sure if any tradition food is cooked, regardless of the race where you come from, it is always good.
So for how long you are driving car?
Oh, I've been driving for like 10 years.
Only?
Yeah, only.
But you look like 16 years. See, you look like 16 years, man.
I look like 16,
Yeah?
16 years.
See, your full beard has not come. So you look like 16 years, you know.
It is coming. It is on the way.
Beard is on the way.
It is on the way. The beard is on the way.
On the way.
Yeah.
It's stuck up in the traffic signal.
Oh, we get stuck in the traffic. That is the best option at the same time. Over time.
And the tall money would go to the Chinese, right?
It will go to the Chinese.
So all your money, whatever you're earning, the China would take you away.
Chinese came to milk us.
Yes.
Milking Africa.
They're milking Africa. They are milking everywhere.
Are they in India?
No.
Are they? Yeah. We are dropping Nakua. Yeah. At the Linksoft.